Hey friends! Today we are making a multifunctional dish. We're making fish tacos with fresh Atlantic salmon, 3 minimal dishes that can be served on your taco or as a side dish, and a creamy sauce made with fresh lime juice and cumin. I know it sounds daunting, but all the elements are really simple to make, and when served together, make for a fantastic meal. Let's head into the kitchen. Come on out.
Here's what you'll need to get started. 1 to 2 pounds of fresh salmon. You can usually get this at your local grocery. A taco or Mexican seasoning blend. And some extra virgin olive oil.
The first thing we're going to do is bake our fresh Atlantic salmon. It's packed with tons of flavor and bakes in the oven for just a few minutes. Here's how.
Prepare your pan by covering it in aluminum foil. Place the salmon fillets in the center of your baking sheet. Cover with a couple of tablespoons extra virgin olive oil. Then sprinkle over your Mexican or taco seasoning.
Now it's into a 425 degree oven for 13 minutes and it's done. How easy is that? While our salmon is baking in the oven, we're going to whip up our 3 dishes to serve on top or as a side to our tacos. First is the red cabbage slaw.
Here's what you'll need. 1 cup red cabbage, shredded. 1 medium carrot, shredded. 1/4 of a cup red onion, thinly sliced. 1/4 a cup cilantro, roughly chopped. 3 tablespoons rice vinegar. 2 tablespoons freshly squeezed lime juice. 1 tablespoon of honey. And salt and pepper to taste. In a bowl, add your cabbage, carrots, red onion, cilantro, lime juice, rice vinegar, honey, salt, pepper, and give it a good mix.
The slaw is done and it's into the refrigerator until we're ready to serve. Then we're going to make our mango salsa. It's got lots of fresh fruits and veggies that give the tacos a very light and fresh flavor.
Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of mango, diced. 1 avocado, diced. 1 cup of strawberries, diced. 1 cup cherry tomatoes, halved. 1/4 of a cup red onion, finely diced. 3 tablespoons cilantro, roughly chopped. 3 tablespoons freshly squeezed lime juice. And salt to taste. In a bowl, add the mango, strawberries, avocado, cherry tomatoes, diced onions, cilantro, lime juice, and salt. Give it a good mix.
We've got our cabbage slaw and mango salsa hanging out in the refrigerator waiting to be plated with our tacos. The last of our 3 dishes is the warm option. It's our take on Mexican street corn and it's absolutely delicious.
Here's what you'll need. 12 ounces of frozen corn, thawed. 2 tablespoons of butter. 1/2 of a large red bell pepper, diced. 1/4 of a cup red onion, diced. 3 garlic cloves, minced. 1/4 of a cup cilantro, chopped. 1/4 of a cup scallions, sliced. 3 tablespoons goita or Mexican cheese. 1 tablespoon freshly squeezed lime juice. 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. 1/4 of a teaspoon cayenne, 1/4 of a teaspoon chili powder, and salt and pepper to taste. In a skillet over medium heat, melt the butter. Once it's melted, add the onions, and then the garlic. Cook until the garlic is fragrant and the onions are translucent. Then add the corn and the bell pepper. Add your seasonings. Cook over medium-high heat for 3 to 5 minutes. Let it cool, then add to a bowl. Toss in your cilantro, scallions, lime juice, mayo, cheese, and give it a good mix. Once it's thoroughly mixed, top with a little more cheese.
We've got our 3 dishes ready to go, but no taco is complete without a creamy sauce to bring it all together. And you won't believe how flavorful something so easy to make can be.
Here's what you'll need. 1/2 cup mayonnaise, 1/2 cup of sour cream, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, 3 teaspoons sriracha sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, and a pinch of salt. Add your mayonnaise, sour cream, cumin, lime juice, sriracha sauce, and salt to a bowl, and give it a whisk until it's thoroughly combined. It really is that easy. Our fish has finished, our 3 dishes and sauce are done, we've plated it up, and it's time to taste. There's so much you can do with this dish. You can use any of the dishes as a topping on your taco, or serve it as a side. You can cut or add any way you want, really. It's about what you like and what flavor road you want to travel down. The possibilities are really endless. I've made my fish taco with the cabbage slaw and topped it with the sauce. And I'm gonna have the mango salsa and the corn as a side. So let's give it a taste. Oh man, that is good. The salmon is buttery and full of flavor. And it's a nice canvas for the brightness and acidity of the cabbage slaw to really come through. That is really yummy. So give this one a try, or 2 or 3. It's totally customizable, and it's super easy, and it's so delicious. I know you'll love it. I've got some more eating to do, so until next time, enjoy.